So, welcome back to Forex Pros. Today, we will be analyzing the gold market and see what kind of trading opportunities can be found. As you know that the market is about to open in a few hours, so let's start the analysis. I will try to make this analysis as educational as possible so that you can use the same techniques on any pair and get the basic direction of the market. Starting from the 8 months time frame, what we can see is that market basically broke this structure resistance, and after breaking the structure resistance the market has been going up, made a huge impulse, and after the impulse what do we expect a correction. So basically what we can see is that the market is basically showing some slow correction, which means the candles are small, which indicates that the buying pressure is long on the 8 month time frame. So this is just to get the basic idea of the market. Another thing which we can see is that this was the structure resistance, which was very important because it is on the 8 month time frame. Like I told you about the supports and resistances, that the bigger the time frame, the more effective, the more reactive the support and resistance will be. So on the 8 month time frame, what we can see is that the market is basically testing and being rejected from this support area. So on the 8 month time frame, currently we can expect that the market may continue its upward impulse with a small correction of this, which we can see. So on the 8 month time frame, we are expecting that the market will be bullish. Moving down to the monthly time frame, the things are very simple. What we have discussed multiple times is that the market basically made a test at this point, again a test at this point, and again what we're saying is that the market was not able to break above below the structure support. But one important factor is that there are still 5 days and 3 hours before the monthly candle closes. If the monthly candle closes above this support, then on the monthly time frame we can expect that the gold might continue its upward movement. On the other hand, we are also expecting that the market might continue its downward trend and complete this tail. So there is a possibility that the market may go to the 1680 to reach its target to cover this tail, but this is just a prediction. So on the monthly time frame, on the current structure of the market, we are expecting that the market will be bullish on the monthly time frame. Moving down to the weekly time frame, the things are much more simple. There are two things which we will be discussing. First of all, what we can see is that market made this W pattern, and after the W pattern, what do we expect? We expect a retracement to the bottom neckline, and afterwards continue its movement towards the upside. So from this point of view, we can expect that the market might come down, but as you can see, the bullish pressure is quite strong. So we can expect that the market might continue its upward trend for now. So another thing which we need to discuss, which we cannot ignore, is that this is not basically a clear pattern, but it represents the head and shoulder pattern. So as we have discussed, whenever the market makes a shoulder, a head, and a second shoulder, afterwards, what do we expect? We expect a downward movement. So at the current movement, what we can see is that this was the first shoulder, the head, and it might create a second shoulder. But this is not a clear pattern, so we will not be focusing on this point. So on the weekly time frame for the next week, we can, even if this pattern has to be completed, we can expect that the market might continue its upward movement to complete the head and shoulder pattern. And even if it has to come down to complete the W pattern, still we will be waiting because the market will move a bit up, then come down and test the 1763 support, and afterward continue its upward movement. Now moving down to the daily time frame, what we can see is that this is a bullish candle, and whenever we see a candle with a tail longer than the body, then we expect the next candle to cover the tail. So on the monthly time frame, we can expect that the market, on the daily time frame, we can expect that the market might continue its upward movement towards the resistance of 1827. So we have the basic direction of the market. Monthly, weekly, and daily are currently representing that the market might be bullish in the upcoming week. So now moving down on the 4 hour time frame, let's discuss how will we take over entry. So first of all, things on the 4 hour chart are quite different. So what we can see is that this structure zone in between 1788 and 1779, which is a 100 pip zone. So as we know that the market was stuck in this zone for some time and it has broken above the structure resistance, which is now the support. So we can see that there was a rejection of the structure support at this point. But there are two things which we can expect. First of all, as we have discussed on the weekly time frame, that our target will be 1763. So basically, there is a possibility that the market might break below the structure resistance, a structure support, which will later on become structure resistance. And after a retest of this resistance, the market might move towards 1763 before continuation of its upward pattern. So this is the first possibility. The second possibility is that when the market opens, the market might try to break below the structure resistance. And in the first two candles of the 4 hour chart, it will be clear that if the market is able to break below the structure support or not. And if we see a rejection, so if we see a rejection, then we can easily place our SL at this point and make a good longing trade up to 1827. So basically, this is the important factor. We will be monitoring the price action of the market at this point, and we will see if the market is able to break below the structure support, then surely we will be taking a good shorting opportunity. But on the retest of this structure resistance, which was previously the support, and after breaking the support, it will become resistance, and then we can have a good shorting opportunity up till 1763. And in case if we see that the market is rejected on the 4 hour chart from this structure support, then we can have a good longing opportunity up to 1827. So whatever the market does, we will be reactive in the market and not predictive. So if you liked our analysis and if you want a confirmed signal for to trade, join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description, and do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. Do like the video and tell us in the comment section which pair or topic would you like us to analyze in the next video.